to the paradise. The third paradise that you could try it. Not the belt, but the paradise. So, let's remove the goods. Hallelujah. It's a little poor for us. Yes, little loose. Do you feel comfort with this? Because the importing is comfortable with and safety with this. Okay. Go. Come on. See, I'm coming to all of the birds. Okay. So they are wait you in the outside, okay? All of them wait you in the outside. Greater bird, I'm coming. Fantastic. I think you get it more. So how do you feel about it? Yeah. I think it's incredible what the situation is. Wow. Badi Gaki. In the reach of Badi Gaki. Okay. You go up in the bottom. Yes, I got to check the office. No, I mean that I'm gonna video and then I will go take a picture of you after this. So, do you say something to us, to me? Thank you. It's really impressive about it. Yes. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.